Hello again. It's been a bit since my episode on Kaiju. Go check that out. But this is going to be the first in a short series exploring some more critters for a little Kaiju land. Basically, whenever something comes to mind that I want to add to it. So today we're going to talk about two undergrowth plants. Now, these will be things that we see growing around trees to form a thick jungle underbrush. These ones are going to serve the purpose of easy food and oxygen generation for the critters near the ground. Let's start with our food one. We'll take a lesson from Cecropia, or gummy worm fruit, and make this guy a small woody plant that produces very long, stringy, sugar-rich fruit. And let's place it in the middle of a very pretty flower that just so happens to have seeds that latch onto the hair and cilia of creatures that eat it very well. And to protect our flowering boys, we'll make it where these plants grow very close to the roots of big-ass trees to reduce the rate that they get trampled. Which does mean, however, they 100% need to be at least a little parasitic or symbiotic. We'll go with symbiotic to the tree. And name for the fruit in the center of the flower and its latching seeds, we'll call these fruiting snatch flowers. And for our oxygen producer, we're going to go for a big fern, but dialed up to 11, because ferns do great in jungles and with being trampled over. Our big fern will be much the same, but with these ones absorbing truly wild amounts of CO2 from the air and oxygen-rich minerals from the dirt and expelling the oxygen as waste, will make it so that there's so much oxygen around these things that you can light fires if you're too close to these guys with the amount of pure oxygen that they output. We'll call them lantern ferns for a very terrible idea someone did once. And there we go. And got them added to our web. I'll see you next time.